Use lookup function when you need to look in a single column and find a value from the same position in another column. Let's see how to use it. Select a cell. Type equal, lookup. Lookup function has 3 arguments, lookup value, lookup vector, and result vector. Specify what you want to look up, also called lookup value. Type comma. Mark lookup range to specify where you want to look, also called lookup vector. Lookup vector should contain only one column. Remember that, for lookup to work correctly, the values in lookup vector must be placed in ascending order. Type comma. Mark range to specify what you want to return, also called result vector. Result vector should contain only one column. Hit enter. The lookup function has successfully found the total cost of item who has code number B2. If we enter another code, function will return corresponding cost. Use lookup function when you need to look in a single row or column and find a value from the same position in another row or column.